Hi guys, this is the decline crunches exercise. So guys, this exercise is very similar to the crunches in the floor, but it's a few harder because like we are in decline position, we have more tension in the abdominal, so it's a few harder, but this is good. Then also we can change this exercise doing twist or doing the crunch with weight, but this exercise must to be started with the simple version that is only a normal crunch where we squeeze the abs and we stretch the abs in the bottom of the exercise. So important, remember always think about your abs and contract your abs and be focused in squeeze your abs in the top. So as much as you think about your abs, you will get a better develop in your abs. So remember that. For this exercise, you must try to do 4 sets between 20 and 25 reps. So when you are going to start, for example, in the level 2 of the Absolution, you will feel that it's a hard exercise that maybe you can do only 4 sets of 20 reps. But with the time and the following workouts and trainings, you will feel that you can do more, like 4 sets or 4 sets or 5 sets and more reps, like 20, 25 reps or 30 reps. For the position of the arms and hands, remember that you can put in the place that is more comfortable for you, but you can do harder the exercise. For example, you can do here, or you can do here. Remember always be focused in the contraction of your abs. So also stretch when you are going down and squeeze your abs. Think about your abs and squeeze your abs in the top. This is so important for a good develop of your abs. So guys, this is decline crunches. Thanks for watching.